Friends, welcome to my channel Learn with Harish. Today we will see how to enable a single tap screen lock on a Samsung device. So for this, first we will go to settings, then you scroll down to the end. There you see accessibility setting, then click on that, then you click interaction and Dexterity. In that you click assistant menu. Then first thing you need to do is uh, first enable replace swipe with a single tap. Enable this, then you go to select menu items. Then in this, what you have to do, you have to remove everything except screen off. So our intention is to lock the screen with single tap. So we will keep this one and remove everything. So now you can see we have kept only this one. So now you go back to the assistant menu, then you reduce the transparency so that you can see this assistant menu. Then you are done. So now the moment you tap this assistant menu, your screen gets locked. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.